You do everything right. You train, eat well, and stay active, but you still wake up stiff, tight, and sore. It's not bad luck. It's what your body actually trying to tell you. So let's talk about the hard truth and why your body doesn't need more workouts. It needs mobility. The truth is, your body doesn't care how many hours you spend in the gym if the other 10 hours of the day are spent locked in the same sitting position. Your muscles adapt to how you live, not just how you train. That's why even the fittest people feel stiff because they move hard but not well. In this video, I will show you how to fix that with simple mobility work that wakes up your joints, resets body, and makes every workout and every moment feel smoother. Right now, you're probably asking yourself why mobility matters. Look, most people think stiffness is just tight muscles, but actually it's your body losing its range of motion. Mobility is what lets your joints move the way that they're designed to, without pain and without restrictions. When you lose that, everything starts to be harder. Your workout feels heavier, recovery takes longer. Even some simple things like tying your shoes start to feel stiff. So instead of stretching what's tight, we are going to teach your body to move better again. Let's go through a full body mobility routine. You can start today. Let's start with your ankles, the foundation of all movement. Tight ankles limit your squat and your balance. First, grab a kettlebell for kettlebell ankle mobilization. From this lunge position, push your knee forward over your toes while keeping your heel down. Feel that stretch through the front of your ankle. This is how you teach your joint to open up again. Then, move into the barbell calf stretch. Place a bar on your calves and slowly sit on your heels. You can hold this position for 3 to 5 minutes with changing bar position. Let that deep tension release. Next, your hamstrings. Weak or tight hamstrings pull on your hips and lower back. Start with single leg hamstrings good morning. Move slow, controlled, hinge from the hip, keeping dumbbells in your hands beside your body. You're not chasing a stretch, you're teaching your body to own that range. Then, the Jefferson curl, one of the best mobility drills ever made. Place dumbbell in your hand and let your spine roll down slowly and controlled. Strength through length. That's real mobility. Let's move to your groin, an area that locks up from sitting all day. Begin with the half frog get up. This stretch your adductors while adding a bit of load. For better stretch, be sure that toes or full extended leg will always be pointed up. Then go into standing single leg pancake. Keep your chest up and reach toward the foot, keeping dumbbell in your hands. You will feel your groin wake up. This is how your hips start moving freely again. Now your hips, the control center of your body. If they're stiff, everything above and below suffers. Use a band for the bended seated figure 4. It opens your hip capsula, giving your glutes and lower back space to move. Breathe and feel the stretch in your hips. Then flow into the couch stretch, one of the most effective drills to undo hours of sitting. Keep your chest tall, glute tight, breathe through the discomfort. You're reversing years of tightness here. If the dumbbells it's too intense, just go without them. Finally, let's open up the shoulders. Rounded posture, screen time, lifting, it all builds restrictions. Start with bend past throats. Use a light band, go slow and keep your ribs down. You retrain your shoulder to move in a full circle again. Then plate shoulder rotations. Keep your core engaged. Control every inch of movement. Smooth, strong, and stable. That's what we want. If you finish this routine, amazing job. Most people skip mobility, but you just did what your body actually needs. And remember, consistency beat intensity. Even 5 minutes a day can completely change how your body feels. And if you want to go deeper and you're a person who is sitting a lot during the day, join my Skool community for free. I will repeat, for free, and check out my 5-minute chair mobility reset. It's perfect daily fix to stay pain-free even on your busiest day. Take care of your body, move well, and I will see you in the next video or inside Skool group. Bye!